What up? This is Quamon coming to you, and I just wanted to share something with you that's going on right now. If you are a musician and you're, you have your own CDs, or you would like to create your own CDs, or you want to know about how to even operate as a musician to be able to make money from what you do, there's a summit going on of these different musicians and experts that use their music in different ways to make money. And so I'm always talking about that, to my students, to capitalize off of your musical experience, not only as a performer, but as a teacher. So these guys and girls are going to be sharing through this summit that's happening. So you can check it out by clicking the link below, and then you'll be able to check out these things, these interviews live, and they're going to share as much information within an hour or so. And they got different presenters who are going to present us a different thing each day. So check it out. I already signed up for it, so I think they're going to be available like 48 hours after the interview. And if you want to hold on to them, then it's something that you have to pay. But I went ahead and got all access because I believe it's only $97. But if you wait, then it's going to go up. The price is going to go up. But I thought it'd be very helpful, and it's stuff that I'll be able to chew on for a long time, and you'll be able to chew on some stuff. And if you're in your business already with your music, or you want to get into it, it's best to follow other people who are doing it and who have done it and have the avenue already created, so that they can teach you or show you, give you the wisdom or whatever you need, so that you can apply it to what you want to do. So I'm definitely an advocate for it. That's why I'm sharing it here on this channel. So go and check it out. I'll be checking it out too, and the link is right down in the description of this video. We'll see you. Peace.